All right, we're back. Okay, we got different mic. I found everything I needed to find, so we just need to make sure we're not over clipping here. Gotta get used to using this mic now. Hopefully it sounds a little better than the other mic. I finally took it upon myself to go in my closet, kind of rearrange it, and look for the thing I needed to get this mic to work. So I've been wanting to use this mic instead. I just got to get used to having it here because my other mic was off to the side. So this one's like right below. Hey Trenton, is the mic okay? Is it too loud, too low, or is it just right? I'm using my old mic, my good mic. So just want to make sure it sounds good. It's too loud? Okay. How about that? Is that better? Oh, that still might be too loud. All right, let's try that. Is it still loud? And it looks like I might need to come down a little bit. Bring it down a little. This, like I said, perfect now? Okay, good. Right there. All right. Yeah, this mic's a little bit different than my other one. Now it's too quiet. Oh, geez. All right, how about that? We'll set it about right there. Okay, we'll get it in there. Perfect. Okay, great. And I have a light. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's a little bit brighter in here. I found my old lights. Like I said, I went in my closet to get everything, and I found my lights, and so yeah, I got my old mic back. So it's a little bit brighter in here. I ordered a little tripod stand to do the desk right now. So hopefully that will make it so I can adjust it a little bit better. But yeah, it's my old streaming light. So we're trying. All right, so where we left off, I didn't really get to work on this yesterday after I streamed. I was kind of done. But yeah, so I'm just troubleshooting the combo thing. Why it's off screen, so it's something in the script here. But it's Friday. It's actually sunny today, but if you look at our temperature, literally a week ago, it was almost 80 degrees. Today, it's 48 degrees with a high of 54. Wild weather we're having here. It's been raining literally all week here in Ohio. It's just been wild. I actually got to do my morning walk this morning. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Very, like, different for this time. I mean, like, we should be at least in the 70s by now, but I don't know. But you can tell, like, what the weather is here by what I'm wearing. Let me see what it is in Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, it's probably like what is this in Celsius? That's probably like what, 10? I need to start I need to convert that to Celsius, and I'll just get kind of used to it after a while. All right. I'm kind of trying to troubleshoot this. It sounds like it might be something within the scripts. 10 degrees Celsius, which is 50 degrees. Okay, so 10. Yeah, that's what I thought. About 10. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I kind of get it. I kind of understand it. I'm sure if I did it every day, like I saw it every day, it would kind of click. But that's just based on wait, hold on. Tell me if this sounds different. Okay, I'm talking now. I'm going to push this button and tell me if there's any difference in the sound. All right, I pushed the button. Does it sound any different? Or does it sound the same? Okay, then I don't need that. Yeah, like I said, I'm using a different audio interface than I normally do on the Mac. So I'm just trying to get it. I think we're good. Okay, we're good. Because I was having problems with Streamlabs for some reason. I don't know. My old interface wouldn't work. And it's a good interface too. But we're just using this for now. All right. So We have to find our show method. Okay, it's right here. And we need to change. Ah, I see what it's doing. We're adding some stuff. Hopefully this will fix it. And I also did get a and 2020 was a crazy year for yeah, the forest fires in 2 weeks. Oh wow. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I remember that. 2020 was just weird, a weird year overall with COVID, and can we even say that, or I don't even know. I remember that was like outlawed. Combo UI. Yeah, it's hard to believe that that was over 5 years ago. It's wild to think, because it felt like when we were in it, like it felt like it was never gonna end. Felt like I was dying. I know, right? Yeah, it was nuts. It was like 2019. Everything was good, you know. The thing about when all that went down, so we went to Florida. My old job I had. We had to go down for a like a conference in Orlando, Florida. So we were there for a couple of days. We were there for like a week, and then we went to Disney, and I had to be there for like a 2-day event for my job. And so when we were going down in the airport, we were watching. That's when the first hints of COVID or whatever. Like, there's this thing happening in China, and we're like, okay, is this gonna affect us? Because like we didn't want to get stranded, coming back home on the plane. Like, are we gonna be able to fly home? And I remember when we were flying home, like that's when they were like, okay, there could be a thing. And this was like in the middle of January, like towards the end of January of 2020. So COVID hadn't hit yet. We got home, and that's when everything happened. I think it was like February or March. And then I remember the lockdown. Ohio wasn't as bad as some states here. Like, some states were locked down for like a year. We were only locked down for like, I think, a month. Or not even a month. It was like 3 weeks, and then we were back to kind of normal. No, I didn't read. No, I didn't. Now, see, like last year here in Ohio, it was hot. We had like a drought. We were in a drought at this time last year. Like, it didn't rain for a couple months, and then it rained. And then I think during the summer, I like literally mowed my grass, I think 3 times last year. And then this year, I've already mowed like 5 or 6 times since April. Like, literally, because we've gotten so much rain. It's just been wild. We've had a lot of rain this year, which is okay. I mean, it's fine. It's just, you know. What did the temperatures get? I guess I can like maybe not have that mic so far. You can't see the mic, which is good. It's off screen, but it's a different. Does the mic sound better though than what I used to have? Like, does it sound more? My voice sounds, like more, not so far away. Okay, good. Yeah, the other mic's great, but you get a lot of room noise. I watch the streams back just to make sure everything looks good and sounds good. Um, I remember one year that we literally had one hot day during the summer, and the rest of the year was jack. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, you did? Oh, right there, 108. Yep. Sorry. There's so many numbers, dude. I saw 2020, 2020, and then yeah, right there. Yeah, that's crazy. 108. Do you guys get humidity there? Well, you're on the West Coast. Oh, you're super humid? Yeah, that's the worst, dude. When you get hot and humid. Ugh. We get that in the Midwest, especially where I'm from originally. Oh yeah. Then yeah, you get it real bad. Yep. Yeah, where my hometown where I grew up, it, it's weird because it's like I lived right on the I didn't live on it, but my town is on the Mississippi River, and then there's another river. So I lived in between two rivers, and it was kind of like a valley, sort of, because it's like a bluff. There's two bluffs, and like we lived in the valley, so yeah, it was just like a pressure cooker in the summer. We would get like not like the actual temperature is like 95 degrees with 100% humidity or 98% humidity with a heat index of like 110. So it's just brutal. That's in Illinois where I'm from, but I don't live there now. I live in Ohio.
It's 11 o'clock.
Which Ohio weather's actually not too bad. All right, let's test this and see if this fixes that issue with the combo. Actually, before I do that, let me get, oh, we got load anyway. Oh, yeah, British Columbia. I want to check that out sometime. That's up, you're up by Washington State. Up there. Pacific Northwest. Do you guys get like similar weather to like Seattle and that up there, or is it different? Because I know like, like depending on where you're at, like, because I've been to San Francisco, and if you go outside of the bay, it's like it gets hot. Remember setting up this scary voice? Okay, same weather. So rainy, dreary, I guess. I swear to God, in Ohio we get more rain than you guys, but I think it's just more. You guys get gray skies more, I think. I mean, we get gray skies too. I mean, Jesus. It's actually sunny today, but I think yesterday it was rainy. All week it's been pretty cloudy. I think Monday and Tuesday we had sun. Yeah, someday I'll get out there. The farthest west I've been, like I said, is San Francisco. Oh, yeah, same here in the winter time. Yeah, we get it's the same here. Literally about from like November to probably about March, April. Pretty much predominantly gray skies. Cloudy gray skies. Yeah. You guys get snow up there too. Yeah, so. Which the last couple of winters here haven't been as brutal as normally they can get here. So this is the ChatGPT came up with a combo. So I'm thinking we can go with something like this. Barely any snow last this winter. Only snow one. Yeah. Yeah, it sounds similar to here. That's not. Oh, when the snow, yeah. Yeah, I think we had like maybe 2 storms this year or something, like 1 or 2, I think. All right, so we got that just in case we want to use that. I don't know how that will work. That combo. All right, let's just see if this works or not. I'm gonna bring this in. So yeah, we were experimenting yesterday. So I got this up here. We were experimenting with the colors. We got different colors. We had that color, which I like. It's just like on the screen, it was hard to see. We had that one. When we had like that one would work perfectly, but it just doesn't match the rest of the UI. It like stood out. And I tried that one. Too blue. So I went with that one for now. All right, good there. So let's just test this. Sure that's not going off screen again. I gotta get that. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what the problem is. I'm not used to having the mic right here. It's like, it's weird. Gotta get used to it. I'm just glad I got it back though. I like, this mic sounds way better. All right, let's see if we're gonna see the combo here. Nope, it's still up above. Yeah, it's still up there. Okay. It's working, it's just, it's not working as intended. And I think I know why. It's because I think we have them going up so high, the abductions. I have it set way high, which I don't need to. So we need to adjust that, I think. Maybe that will make it work. Oh, I gotta remember where that setting is. Oh my God. The thing, it's been so long since I've had to mess with it. Like the abduction height and everything. I think I set it so high, and I think that's why it's doing that, because it thinks, because that's where they're getting abducted instead of like, you know, it's assuming it would be there. Green? Yeah, I know, I'm experimenting. That we can do. The problem is, so when I experiment with different colors, you can't see through the beam. So you can't see all the enemies. No, I know. These are all temporary. Yeah, I had it like a cyan bluish green, and I tried to get it and I just couldn't get it right. So it's either A, we build a better one. Like that was the first shader I've ever built. So I don't know how to do shaders. That's what I'm saying. Like I'm still learning. And then like, of course, these are going to change a little bit. I want to update these. Like right what we're doing now is we're just focused on building the game. And you know what I mean? Yeah, I think so. That might need to come over a little bit. But no, actually, I think that's fine. But the buffs are working, man. Look at that. I don't know if that's where I want them, though. Thanks. It's coming together. It's coming together since we're putting all the UI in now. Oh, we lost our countdown clock. And the wave. Shoot. I think I know why. It's a script thing. Good thing we're testing this. But yeah, we lost the countdown clock. Yeah, see, the combos are up here. It's working. The combo thing is working. It's supposed to happen when they get abducted, but see, since they're flying away, we might have to change that where they don't go up so high. I like them going off screen like that though. All right, so we lost the countdown clock. Oh great, see, it's every time we add something, man, it breaks stuff. I hate it. Okay, I gotta figure out what I changed. Probably in here. Which everything was working until I changed that thing. The wave text. Ah, it's right here. You just have to do this. Forgot to change this. This will fix it, but I don't know why the countdown clock broke. Maybe it's try that. But yeah, it's coming together. It's, you know, like I said, my goal is to have a working prototype where players can play it here at the end of July. That's kind of my goal, what I'm going for. I gotta find the abduction settings first. Let's do that. Because I gotta set, I think I set the height up too high. Actually, it might be on the prefab. Yeah, it might be on the... So yeah, so if I go into this, so this line right there, I wish I could just get it like that could be like a green and then kind of get it in the middle. I've been trying to experiment with that and it's very hard to do. So I have to go into here. Okay. So here's the color. Yeah, that's what I want, but I can't get it. Like I've been experimenting with it. And when I get that color in there in the middle, you can't see. I want it like transparent. I want it to be able to see it, but yeah, give that like greenish cyan blue color to it, not just white. So we would have to go into here somewhere. It'd be one of these colors. Maybe if we don't turn that on, if we just turn it default. Let's try that. Yeah, because see, it's this cyan blue. Maybe if we try a different color. Like I was trying to do it a little lighter. There we go. Yeah, here's all this stuff. Transparent. Maybe alpha. Yeah, see, this should be more like in the middle. But I totally know what you mean, Trent. Like, that's exactly how I see it, too. It should look like this. But the problem is, when you get that dark color in there, you can't see through it. So, if you have all those, enemies there, you can't see them. All right, one thing at a time. Let's, we'll get to that. That's not a big deal. What I need to look for is the settings. Yeah, because this is the cone. But what I have is this cone is like going way up really high. So the player's going way up here and getting abducted like way up in the sky. And I think that's why the combo is popping there, because that's when the enemy pops and, basically dies. They're not dying, but you know what I mean. So I think that's why it's doing the combo there. Now, if they were just being abducted right here, which we can do, it should say the combo's down here. I just got to remember where that setting is, because I haven't touched it in so long. I don't remember. It's in the tracker. It's in. And I remember what it looks like, but I don't remember where I put that script. Ah, maybe it's in here. No. We'll find it. Probably in... hell is it? I remember we were messing with it for like the longest time, and now I can't remember what where it's at. Ah, I think I remember now. Yep. That's not it either. Like a setting where you can put the height of the beam. Ah, man, this is what sucks. Let me just click on things and we'll find it. I could have swore it was in here. Maybe it's in the... maybe it is in here. It's just a different setting. I built so much stuff, like I can't remember. I can't remember anymore. And I know it's like a setting where I could adjust the height and everything, or not the height, but like where the abduction happened. It's this thing. Find out where we put that. That's the thing. Where is that script? I have to open up some stuff. They got taken off some. Dude, this is what happens when your project gets too big. And then you don't remember where the hell things are. Where you put stuff. Oh my god. I literally do not know. Not in there. It was like this little settings where you could like adjust it. I remember doing it because we did it for like, and I was messing with it one day. To kind of get the thing that I wanted, how I wanted it. Now I don't remember where the hell it's at. I thought it was on the actual prefab. Oh, nope, I think I remember now. It's in the material. There it is. We found it. See? I knew I'd find it eventually. Right there. The beam height. I think I have that way too high. And that's what it's doing. It's going way up there. And then when they're going. So let's adjust this. So let's try 100. And then this is the stuff where you can adjust the way the shader looks. I've messed with all these numbers so much. Like, ugh. I don't want to touch them right now, but yeah, that's where it's at. So it's the material. Gotta remember that. Now let's see if this fixes it with the combos. Oh, it's still not going. Whoa. Nope, it's still up there. Yeah, way up in there. Combos are working though, it's working. I think it's just how high they are going, and I don't remember. Let's try 10. I don't think this is the setting I'm looking for, but we need to try that, and then it's somewhere. I think it's the actual prefab for the enemies that we have to adjust how high they go up. Because I remember screwing with that for a day or two. Yeah, because they're going way up there. Yeah, it's coming down. No, it's not. Go to the enemy prefabs. And I think... somewhere in here. Yeah, where was that? Where maybe it's a material. Anyway, I remember adjusting that as well. Like how high they go up. Yeah, it's the abduction beam, I think. Gotta find where. Where it's at. But yeah, here's the sound effects that I put in there. Yeah, the thing is getting annoying. I know. I'm getting sick of it. I have some newer ones that I think are gonna work. I just haven't gotten to it yet. All right, let me try this 0.1. If that changes any. God, I remember I adjusting how high they would get a. I mean, this was like 2 months ago when we did this, so I don't remember. Then I gotta see if we fix that countdown. That didn't do it. That's what it is. I know that's what it is. Go to the right there. But we'll see here. I'll troubleshoot some more. There's a couple of things I can check. But I'm pretty sure logically that makes sense. That yeah, they're not getting abducted right here on the ground. They're going up in the air. See how high that's going? I had it up way higher before. See, there's an abduction poof there. Supposed to see. You just can't see it because we're way up. We need to adjust that, I think. See how it's going up? They're going way up there. But then you should see the combos up here then. Still way up there on this. Way up there. So the combos are supposed to say it right next to the player. I'm just trying to think through logically why that would be. The only thing I could think of was this thing. Dude, we set that up like, I don't even know. That was like 2 months ago. I don't remember what we did. How we did it. All right. Anyway, let me. Well, I needed to see if that fixed that issue. That's still way up there. And I still need to work through that. Getting those things so they're not so bunched together, but I think it does dissipate throughout the waves. All right, let's see what these other settings. While this goes, I just got to test to make sure that that canvas, this doesn't break again like when we had it over here. I think I fixed it. Want to keep the text always visible, clamp it to screen bound. Yeah, once we get like the characters, like once if I can make an alien, we found some that we could purchase. But once I get an alien in here, I think I think we're gonna have the alien face forward and kind of just strive. I don't know how that's gonna work yet, and I have a feeling we're gonna like once we get characters in here, it's gonna change everything, and then we're gonna have to redo stuff. Countdown timer, okay. Damn it, still broke. I have a feeling it's because we changed something. One problem at a time. Try to get this damn thing fixed. Added that clamp on. Okay. That's all right. Now, hopefully we can get this, and this isn't gonna be down a rabbit hole trying to fix this damn countdown timer thing. Where have we had this issue before? Look at something real quick. Anyway, what you doing today, Trenton? Oh, I reinstalled Star Citizen. So yeah, haven't played it, but I reinstalled it this morning. Maybe we'll play this weekend. Not much? Good. I didn't know if you were working on anything or doing anything. What is it? Are you guys are 3 hours behind, right? You're Pacific? Yeah. 8. You get up early then. Well, I mean, early. Early is relative to some people. I mean, some people are early risers. Me, I'm 6 a.m. Yeah, yesterday was wild. Like, I got like all those recruiters hitting me up. I got up about 7, I think, this morning. That would be what, 6? That's 4 o'clock in the morning for you. Right. Trying to troubleshoot this wave, the countdown timer after the wave shop. Yeah, we still got to do something here, man. We got to figure this out. I don't know if I'm gonna go with that. You know, this coin. I don't know if that's the one I'm gonna go with. Like I said, I'm just because like we could swap this stuff out. The graphics we can swap out now. It's just once we get it all working. Because I want to do something here with the clock. I want to, make like some UI element to where it's behind this, just to give it a little more, something. What, I don't know yet. And then these bars, either they have to come a little smaller. I don't know yet. But I think it's okay. All right, what's the problem? Why your countdown timer disappears. The main reason your countdown timer does not reappear after a wave shop is likely due to how the quarantine and wave. Common issue. All right, let's take a look at our UI. There's our countdown timer. Draw. We'll just go with that for now. Well, we'll get something. Trent, were you the one telling me about? Yeah, you were. It was you saying that you don't like the fonts. Like I said, none of this stuff is final. Because someone told me that they had fonts they'd have to look up and they could send me some. Was that you or was that somebody else? I know me and you had the conversation about not liking the fonts. And I said, yeah, I mean, that was just what I had. Like I'm experimenting with them. Or if that's what's messing it up. Left timer bar. I don't know what the hell. Things get going good, you make great progress, and then like I said, you always add something and then it freaking busts thing. Man, I want to work, I want to like do new things, and here we are troubleshooting. Check this out real quick. Save spawner script. Hey, Flamingo, how are you? Good morning, or wherever. No, it's it's nighttime for you. Welcome back. I don't know if Trenton dropped or if he's still in here. We're troubleshooting again. So, when we come, song in the background, I don't know. This? Oh. I can't hear it. That's kind of weird. I need to find a better playlist. Dystopian synthwave. Oh, we could try this. See if that is any better. Is the music too loud or is it fine compared to my voice? I'm using my better mic now in Flamingo. I went into my closet and got the thing I needed that I think I told you guys like a month ago. I was like, yeah, I gotta go find it. It's in the closet. I did that yesterday. And does the lighting look a little bit better in here too? I look a little more light. I found my old lights that I used to stream, so as you can see, it's a little bit brighter in here. Oh, that's good. Yep, so I got a light, and then I'm using my better microphone. I'm using the SM7B. So my voice probably sounds... You look young. Well, thanks. I'm not, but yeah. If I took my hat off, you'll be able to see my gray hairs and all that good stuff. Which I didn't wear a hat yesterday. I'll try not to wear hats sometimes. It's just a habit. Like I said, I love wearing hats. Alright, I'm gonna try this. I'm trying to fix things, as you know, like we're always doing. I think when I added, and we're still trying to fix the combo text, it's still showing off screen. So I'm still trying to get that all fixed. Close shop. Okay, let's it's loading. Is the music too loud or is the music good? I need to get like a mixer or something. A bit lower, okay. I think that's where I had it before. Yeah, mixer would make this so much better. I need to take a screenshot here of yeah, good old day of troubleshooting. I didn't want to do this today, but we gotta fix it. Hopefully we'll get it fixed pretty quickly. I wanted to fix that combo thing, and then I wanted to start, I think you were here yesterday. So we got stuff that we can work on. The stuff in yellow is what I want to work on. Let's see. Yeah, this one. I really want to get this in here. I think this will be really cool. And then more enemy types. Definitely will need that. Like faster, like some move faster than others, I think would be really cool. And then, yeah, I think that's all we got. And then that's what we're working on right now. Well, actually, I'm working on a different thing, but this is what we've just implemented yesterday. And of course, I want to do that for when the character dies. But yeah, these are some of these three things are what I want to work on. Okay. It says, I shared the screenshot of my inspector and everything. It says, nope, everything looks good. Nothing looks, I don't know what's going on. Let's try it since we changed a little bit of the code. Oh, hey, Bit. Welcome back. I think everybody's coming in today. I found the thing that I needed for my old microphone that I talked about 2 months ago. So I got a different microphone. So hopefully it sounds better than it did previously. And I got a light, so it looks a little more brighter in here. Yeah, combos are still off screen. See them up there or not? Yep, there they are. They're up there. Okay, they're getting closer. But they're supposed... I know what it is. Yep, I think I know what it is. You can't tell a difference with the mic? Oh, okay. Well, this mic should make it so there's not as much room noise, because it's directly in front of me. And it's a better mic, but that's okay. That's good if you can't. I don't want anybody to know anything's changed. But you could probably tell, like, there's more light. Like, I'm lit up a little bit better because I have a light up here now. So. Okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's all good. I don't want anybody to notice anything. That's what I'm saying. It's like, it's one of those little things. So why I think the combos are up here is because we have to adjust when the enemies are getting abducted, since they're flying up so high and they poof, you know, like they disappear. That's where the combo is going to show. So we kind of have to. I had this before, but you know, we changed it to make them go off screen. So we might have to adjust that, but I don't remember where that adjustment was. I'm testing it. So when we go out from the wave shop and we go into wave 2, our countdown timer disappears. And I think it's because we adjusted these. Okay, it came back. Sweet. But now it's not working. And this happened before. Yeah, gaming stream. I don't know. I would like to do one. Like I said, it's just one of those things. I'm so used to working on this, and like I'm kind of on a tight deadline to get this thing done. So like, we can always, you know, stream, or we can always game off stream. It's like one of those things. But yeah, I would like to. Yeah, see, the combos are up there. I mean, we're getting closer. But I think I just need to make it where they pop right here. They like raise up a little bit and then boom, gone. We had it like that 2 months ago. But then I changed it. And I don't remember how I changed it. Like the reason, so like the gaming thing is like I would love to do it, you know, at least once a week on stream, but it's like I want to get this game, I want to build it, because like, dude, we got so much more to do on this thing. You don't understand. Like there's a lot of work left. And it's not me adding things, it's just all the things we have to do to make it polished, because we have to do the 3D models. I work on this thing outside the stream as well. Sometimes. Like when I get these things, I don't want to do it on stream, so I'll do it off stream. I know we did this before. It stays stuck. I know we had this issue before. Also, the other thing is, like, you know, I'm not sure what everybody would want to play. Everybody has different games they want to play, you know? So it's kind of one of those things. We got to find one, and even though if we play it, doesn't mean that they're going to play it. And we're not really a gaming stream right now, you know? It's just one of those weird things. But yeah, I mean, I think it's something we should do to mix it up. Like I said, I want to try some AI stuff too, as a community, but maybe that's something we have to wait on. Like, we got to build it, you know, we got to build a community here and then see what the community wants to do, kind of thing. I think that's the best way to approach it. But I'm on a tight schedule because I want to get this into you guys, you know, be able to play test it you know, with the models and everything, kind of a working prototype or a working beta version by the end of July. So we're at the end of May. That gives me a month and a half. It sounds like a lot of time, but dude, it's not. Because I have to learn Blender. I mean, obviously we don't need the characters in there, but here's what's gonna happen. I know this is gonna happen. We put the 3D models in here, the enemies and everything. We're gonna have even more problems because it's not gonna, because we've been testing everything with these little models. We got to do animations. I mean, it's a lot of work. And I know once we add new stuff, we're gonna break it. Just like we just broke this. The timer's not working again. And we've done this before. I know we did. Okay, wave loop. Countdown phase. You're what? Oh, you're eating? Yeah, speak of eating, I got lunch is coming on soon. Countdown phase. Yep, this all looks right. Yeah, this is at the top. Ah. Close shop. Time scale. I don't see a time.scale after. Open the shop, wait for purchase. Well, I gotta check out the dogs though. All right. All right, let's try this. Oh. I hate troubleshooting. It's so boring. It's not fun on stream. Like, I thought we had everything good and golden, and then, I mean, I don't need to do this, but might as well just get it over with. Move this line after spawning the enemy.
It's 12 o'clock.
Now it wants me to get rid of this. Eh. Like I said, the gaming thing is like, I know what Trent would want to play. He'd want to play Star Citizen. Bit, I think you probably... well, we could do that one game. What is it? Black... no, I can't. But yeah, I mean, probably not today. Like I said, I just want to get this stuff fixed. And then we'll see how next week's shaping up. I gotta check my emails, make sure nothing's coming through. Because like I said before, I think a bit, if you're still there, is like, you know, I only have so much, you know, I don't know how much time I have to build this game. Like, to be honest and to be real, like, you know, because like I said, I am, you know, I'm looking for a job, looking for work, and, you know, I could get a job in a month. I can get a job next week. You know, we don't know. I don't know. So it's one of those things. It's like, I got to use my time wisely so I can finish this, because if I do get a gig or a job or something, my time's going to be cut down and I won't have as much time to work on it. Like I said, I don't want to be spending 3 years of my life building this. It's like, I mean, it's worth it. I mean, I'm passionate about the game. It's just like, I'm trying to use my time wisely while I have it. See if we adjusted that. Let's see if that fixes anything. I don't know if I like this synthwave stuff to work to. The chiptune stuff just like kind of fades out in the back. I don't hear it. We got all these errors and we got all this stuff, man. Like, I almost want to just like create the game over again and just import all this stuff in, but I don't want to do that. All right, let's play it, see what happens this time around. Oh, man. Because, yeah, I would rather, you know, do this stuff. Hey, it does glow. Never really pay attention. Really pay attention to it, just notice if it is or not. Well, the combos are moving closer, so that's good. So I need to adjust some stuff. One problem at a time. Alright, so let's wait to see the wave shop. If I can find... I don't think these values save. Don't remember where that setting was, where we could do the height. I remember I think it's float speed. I remember we were sitting here monkeying with it for like a day. Remember when we were trying to get it right? Let's try 5. And I know when we create these other things, this game is gonna bust. It's gonna break. Ugh. Damn it! Now we lost it again. How was that a combo? Not a combo. Might just have to get that set on a screen somewhere. The combo thing. Okay, I can't listen to this synthwave stuff while I work. What this is all about. Might be okay. Dude, I know we did. We went through this before, and I don't remember what the hell we did. We even need, yeah, we need a countdown. Troubleshoot. Oh, actually, it might be the buff timer thing. add some debugs here. Gotta see if anything's making it this. Go through all this stuff and then it should come back to here. What the hell is all this crap now? I don't see sample. I haven't had tea yet. No wonder. That's probably why I'm so not focused. I didn't get tea today. All right, let me go grab some tea. I need a little break anyway. All right, be right back. Yeah. Let me just get this script and then I'll go get tea. Did not want to do this today. Not want to have to sit here and troubleshoot. Hoping we could get right back into building out those enemy types and stuff. Demotivating. All right, let me go make some tea. Be right back. I gotta get some water anyway. All right, we'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back with the E and everything. Oh, Trenton's back. I don't know if they're still here, Trenton, or if you're still here. I'm boring today. This troubleshooting stuff, man. Did not want to do this today, but anyway. Alright, so we got the new script with the debug, so let's run it. But this is game dev, so whatever. Like, we get stuff working, we implement something new, it's cool, then boom, we break something else that we fixed before, because this issue's happened before. I don't remember how I fixed it. We're getting closer with the combo. It's the height thing. We gotta adjust the height of when they go up. And I don't remember how to do that. I don't remember how I adjusted it. We could take a day when we could start working back on the city again. I mean, we've done a lot. We got a lot of stuff implemented. We got the, you know, the UI. It's looking good. Better than it did. I just want to build out the gameplay stuff, you know, so we can get a cool game going. See how this thing's gonna evolve. Where's the hell? Yeah, we need to find some good fonts. See, I think I'm gonna have to adjust this over a little more, because if we get into the thousands, 10,000, it's gonna break the UI. So I have to make these the numbers a little smaller, maybe. That's stuck at 9 again. Okay, let's look at the console. Okay, what does it do here? Okay. Okay, some audio is disabled. I don't know if this music's any better than what we had. Hopefully this is gonna solve it, because I did a screenshot of that. Just this monitor over here. Let me know if the music is not good or not. If you want to go back to what we had before, the chip tunes, the synthwave stuff. That just, I can't focus with that. Doesn't work for me while I'm working. I need music that just like kind of blends in the background. Okay, let's see. ChatGPT is saying lo-fi mix. Yeah, we could look at something like that. I wanted to see what this was. Let's see, royalty free. Here we go, lo-fi. I need to get like Spotify or something, and because I think they have royalty free playlists on there. Oh, here we go. What's this? I will try this. Okay, so what's missing in our script here? So basically, it's not being called. It looks like down here in this down here. We're not getting the debug right here. No, this one. The debug that's supposed to say, yeah, that's I think, and we didn't get it. Okay, wave loop structure. Okay, here's our wave loop structure. In your latest wave spawner, the countdown timer should be re-enabled at the start of the countdown phase for a new wave. Yeah, up here. Right after shop closes. If it isn't, this could mean the quarantine is stuck. Countdown timer text object is being disabled elsewhere, not. Okay, we gotta check the hierarchy. Double check the hierarchy. I think it might be that buff timer when we added that. That's when things started kind of going weird. This thing. Because we assigned. Yeah, because we assigned something in there. Here. Want to try something? Famous last words. Gonna try something. Bet you this is what it is. Alright, let's try it now. This could get deleted, I think. I don't want to oh, here. We'll delete this. Let's try this first. Hold on. Let's try it, see what happens since I put that in there in a different canvas. Because I think that's what's screwing everything up. Because we didn't have problems until we added that combo thing. Let's see if it fixed the combo text now. Now it's up there. But that's what it is. I know that's what it is. It's doing that because these are disappearing up here, not down here. So that's why we can't see them, the combo text. That's why it's doing it right there, because that's... So we need to adjust them getting abducted instead of going up there. I can't remember what setting it was. I think it's that 15. I think it's this setting here, that float speed. We'll test that in a sec, but first we gotta do this. This music's okay, I guess. It kind of blends in the background. Everybody's quiet today. I know I'm boring today, I'm sorry. We just need to get this fixed and then we can work on something cool, or we can, I mean, start a discussion, do something. Because we have to adjust the buff timer after the wave shop, and I'm sure that's gonna bust some stuff up. So. Hey. Yeah, I don't know if Trenton's here or not. Okay, wave spawner. Okay, it's hitting. Okay, currency awarded for wave. Okay, we're buying. Okay, that's there, but we need to get that not to start until after the store closes. We're probably gonna run into the same issues with the countdown timer. Please work. Damn it! It's not working. Watch, it's probably gonna start like it did before. Remember it? I think it's messing up because of logic. Let's just see what happens here, because this is what it did that one time, and then we fixed it. Okay, while I'm doing that, I need to get this health real quick, and I want to adjust that 15 of those. Hold on. If that was the height, how they get, how high they go. Yep. Yep. See, I told you. So we're gonna have to do something like that. Well, we fixed that issue. Alright, then we gotta adjust the we might be able to go up a little higher. We need to make that text a little bit smaller. Alright, so we got that figured out. Okay, so we got that. At least we got one thing figured out. Alright, combo UI. Alright, so... yeah, I think he left, man. I don't know. Or he could be away from his computer. I know it's just a weird day today. It's busy. It's like, I'm just not focused. I'm focused on this, and it's kind of, we have these days, things just kind of are freaky, funky. It's just not fun when we're, troubleshooting. Troubleshooting's not fun. Yeah, Trent must have left. It's kind of early in the morning for him. Well, not early. It's what? 9. It's 9 in the morning. Yeah, dude, I'm trying to focus. I know. Oh, yeah. Well, it's because this isn't fun. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't want to spend today doing this. So, I wanted to start working on those things we outlined in the Google Doc. But, this is part of game development. Because we had this issue before. I'm reading. I have to read all this text to figure out how we solved it before, and it's like, that's boring. To me, it's boring. Your current code review. Camera. Running duration. Okay, right here. The root cause. Return from the shop. The timer is advanced way further than you think because how to fix change. Use time.delta time instead of time.unscaled. There we go. Hopefully this will fix it. Okay. This is what we did last time and it fixed it. It's based off of the history. Let's see if this fixes it. Hopefully it does, and then we can get on to other things. Well, we fixed the combo. We got that working because I knew why it was the issue is because the the abduction was happening way too high. So we could, in theory, we could get a combo, but I don't know what text is it. Is it this text? Because I have a picture. Where's it at? Yeah, so I was thinking we could use this for the combo. But I don't know where that would go. Hold on, let me see. Probably in the prefab. Where's that pre? So it would probably go here. Scale that down. No, see, another thing, in Flamingo is like when I'm focused, like dude, you know how this is. You get focused, and then like you get hyper focused, I think, and then um, I won't look at chat, you know, and I'll get boring. So that's what I'm saying. It's like it's a hard balance. For somebody with, you know, our problem, streaming is a weird thing for us, you know. It's like I want to work, I want to get things done, but then, you know, I want to entertain and I want people to have fun, you know, not get bored watching me just like stare at a screen, you know. So it's kind of this balance thing, you know. You know, we have good day. I have good days. I have bad days. You know, it's can't be, you know, on it every day. Um, we'll figure that out. That we don't, like you said, I need to focus. I need to work on what we need to fix here. Okay. Let's try this. Let's see if it fixed that timing thing. But yeah, it's a hard thing to manage because like I'll get into this and then I forget about this. That's why I have that little. I have like a little noise that pings when you guys type, so I know when you guys chat. It's very helpful. All right, we just have to run this down to see if we can get past this wave, and then the clock will come back. Yeah, see, I would rather have that graphic, but I don't know where that text is coming from because I didn't set that color text. This might be annoying too. I don't know. Because it does it every time. How is that a combo? That's not a combo. I need to adjust some. Yeah, I like it when they actually went off screen. But I have to adjust the shrinking thing. They're supposed to dissolve as well. I don't know if they should shrink that small. You know what I mean? We'll work on that later. It's not really. All right, come on, countdown. Come on. It's not really a problem we need to worry about right now. Dissolve, float speed. All right, come on, please work, please work, please work. All right, we go into the store. Store should be good. Buy that. We need to fix this too. This should not start until we hit continue. Damn it, did not fix it. Arrgh. But we did fix the combo text, so we're seeing that now. But we're not fixing the timer. Outside. Okay, Lace. Yeah, this music's not bad. Actually, we didn't look at the console. Did it? Yeah, I don't see it. The wave shop. Okay, hold on. Like, we weren't getting these before. It's when I uninstalled Cinemachine and reinstalled it. Damn it. Screwed everything up. Damn it, it didn't show anything. Okay, what's happening? The end of each wave. Okay, open up the. Yeah, I would like to do that text instead of that yellow crappy text. But we'll have to figure that out. What's that? Here it is. Got delta time. Ring duration. Put a debug in here. Bug. I'm not used to having the mic like right here. That in there. And our wave loop. Oh, you got 5,000. Yeah, it's because you're talking, because you chat, you get channel points. Yeah, so that's I think you asked me yesterday about that stretch thing and that when you that's all it is like you're using your channel points to get that. I thought they were bits. They're not bits. Bits are different. I think bits are actual money. But those are just channel points that you get awarded for chatting and you know, and viewing the channel. To be more interactive with the stream, I guess. That's what they put it in there. That's a Twitch thing, I believe. All right, let's see if this does anything. All right, we gotta test this again and watch the console. See what happens. Actually, this music's like making me sleepy. See, that's what it is, dude. The music affects my mood. too. Yeah, dude, I need to. Yeah, we need to get something. Hold on. That's why I like the chip tunes, because the chip tunes is like, you know, it's like upbeat and all that. Hey, the damage. Why are we like, now we're like way down on the ground. Okay, something's wrong. Yep, something's wrong. Oh god, now we got more problems, dude. I think, nope, I know what it is. I think we're getting pulled. Yeah, we're getting pulled by the waves. That's why I had to make it go up higher, I think. Yeah, we're slowly moving. Dude, we just busted this game open just for something from... we don't really need the combo thing, but... I'm thinking we put the combo, like, like, somewhere on screen, it just pops up. Yeah, we're floating. And that's why I think I had him go way up there. But yeah, let's try 10. See, it's like we do one thing, man, and we break it again. Every freaking time. Yep, we're floating. It doesn't matter. I just need to test the countdown timer. That still doesn't. All right. Yeah, dude, we gotta get rid of that. Oh my god. That's gonna make me fall asleep.
It's 1 o'clock.
Damn it, now I gotta... The button. Why can't I do the button? They're grouped together. I don't even know what this music's in. All right, we just stick to the one that I had, man. The one that I always use. It works every time. It's fine. Now we won't be able to find it. One that I play all the time. The one that I played, man, like all the time is that one's good. We would just not play music anymore. Okay. We got distracted and did that, but we needed to do that. Okay. It's starting to really piss me off today. Trenton singing karaoke. Oh, it's no big deal. No big deal. I'm just I don't know what I'm doing. I'm frustrated. Stupid countdown clock timer stopped working. No, I haven't tried it. Oh, I'm talking to him for me. Ugh. I got it installed though, Trenton. Yeah, he might be here. No, sometimes he just has me on in the background. Today's just a bust, man. Like, you know, you can't have a good day every day. Oh, he's not in the viewer list? Yeah, he might have. The music was probably putting him to sleep. We can't get the music, man. Like, we had it, and we tried this other lo-fi stuff, and not good. And I can't find the playlist that I was using. Did I make it? I thought maybe I saved it. All my playlists I have here. Too many. Damn, I didn't save it. I gotta go through here and clean these up, man. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. Wait, music. I didn't save it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's okay. Like I said, today's a bust. I don't know what I'm doing today. Like, we're screwing things up. Everything's all jacked up now. Like, it's every time, man. Every freaking time. I think everybody just wants me to have a gaming stream. Which is, it's fine. I mean, we can do that. It's just, like I said, it's like, I only have so much time to do this game. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how much time I'm going to have. You know? Yes, there's days I don't want to work on it, but being a professional, you kind of learn how to just work through things. There we go. There, Trenton. I changed the fonts now. They're not going to be, I don't know if that's, you know, final, but yeah, we should probably bold them. Yeah, that's much better when they're bolded. Much better. There we go. I don't know. I've lost my drive. Like, I was smashing it out this morning, and then all of a sudden, just like, like I said, I always hit a wall. It's about this time because I have to eat lunch. All right, let's see. See what else we can break today. That's how I feel like. It's like every time we do something, freaking break stuff, man. But that's, you know, that's what happens when you piecemealing game parts. You know, if you don't build it out in the beginning, you start adding things, you know, more pieces make more things break. I just don't have the energy today. Let's see if this fixes it. If not, I don't know. We'll have to move on to something else and come back to it, and then I'll have to troubleshoot it off stream. Well, Bit and Flamingo, like it's like nighttime for them. It's like, I think they're 8 hours of. It's like 8 or 9 o'clock at night there. So, and it's Friday night. So, yeah, Bit's in Romania. All right, here we go. But yeah, if this doesn't work, we'll have to move on to something else, I think. I mean, we fixed the combo thing. I knew what it was. I knew why the issue was, but now I don't like how they abduct, but whatever. We can deal with it. Oh, now it's back. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't save them, that's why. I didn't save the values, that's why. I like it like this, so I think what we're gonna do... Oh yeah, see, I didn't save all the values, so that's why it's doing this. Doesn't matter, I don't really care about that right now. I think what we're gonna have to do with that combo thing, instead of comboing it right by these, you know what I'm saying? We'll just have it on screen somewhere. And then we won't have that problem. Then we can go back to what we had before. I think that will solve it. We'll put the combo thing like up here or something. I don't think the combo works like it's supposed to. It's like, why would you get a combo when you do it once? So, yeah, these looks a lot better, dude. Actually, now that I've done this, I actually like this text a lot better. We're just gonna have to adjust maybe these a little bit. Bring this in a little more, because if we get more numbers, yeah, it's gonna have to come probably to here. But anyway. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do with the combo thing. Maybe we'll find a place on the UI. Put it probably up in here. Or down here, maybe. I'm just tired of troubleshooting, man. I want to build more stuff, but, you know, it's just what it is. Here we go. Here comes the thing that's not gonna work. God, that looks so much better. God, that looks so much better. I just need to adjust these buttons, but I don't want to do that right now. Wonder if we should put this... Damn it, it's not working. That's working. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, let's look at the inspector. Ah, we can adjust that too. Let me look at the count. Phase, okay, countdown phase start for wave 1. Ring timer must count down. Nope. So we're not getting the debug. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Plus, I think I just need to eat lunch. What's these? I think when I uninstalled Cinemachine, that screwed things up. I don't even know what these are. The spline. I don't have the energy today to troubleshoot anymore on this countdown timer. I really don't. This is what's gonna happen when we freaking add new stuff. That's why I'm worried about when we add the characters in, the models and all. That's what I'm saying. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to troubleshoot. I wanted to get to this stuff, but maybe next week. You guys come, Trenton, are you there? And did Bit come back, or Inflamingo, did they come back? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if they came back or not. Nope, just you, Trenton. Yeah. It's okay. Like I said, it's partially probably my fault because we're doing troubleshooting. It's not very interesting today. It's Friday, and like I said, it's nighttime for them, so it's a Friday night, so they might be out doing something. And I think Bit was a little disappointed because Fridays I was going to start doing gaming streams. So I think he got a little disappointed. I know, it's like I want to do that, but like, you know what I mean? It's like I don't know how much time I have to build this game. Like that's where it comes down to, you know? Yes, right now I'm unemployed and blah blah blah, but it's like, dude, that can change in a week, that can be 2 weeks, that could be 3 weeks, I don't know. And of course I need a job. Of course I want to, figure something out, but it's like I'd hate, to get something and then, I can't work on the game anymore. Like all this work for nothing, and I don't want that happening. And I won't be able to stream or, you know what I mean, work on the game. So it's like that thing. I want to use all the time available that I have to build this game and hopefully finish it before that happens, or if I figure out what I'm going to do. At this rate, I don't even know. It's weird. The market is horrible right now for jobs. Alright, we're gonna try this one last thing here. We gotta clear out the console too, just to make sure we got a clean one. Play. But yeah, I mean, gaming would be fun. But I just feel like if I'm doing that, I'm like wasting time that I could use work on this. I would like to start working on other things too, like AI related. And mix up the stream a little bit. They get grouped together like that, it gets hard. Because like I said, if I want to do the playtesting by July, I need to do something with those power-ups. Those things are bothering me. Yeah, see the light when it starts getting dark like that, or you get too much, you can't see the player, or you can't see the enemies very clearly. I thought we changed the color. Maybe we didn't. Maybe I didn't save it. I still have to detail the environment. I mean, a lot of that stuff I can do off stream. I mean, I do work on this off stream, and like I try to get the troubleshoot stuff off so I don't have to do it on stream. Here we go. Okay, wave spawner, count time hidden, warning phase begins. We should get, this ends, it should say. Okay, currency awarded, great. Okay, we need to bring that icon, or we need to bring this button down a little. Yeah. Oh no, hey, this is something better. We're at zeros. But yeah, all this FX stuff, man, like I want to polish it and get it a lot better. I mean, this is just to get stuff working. timer's not starting. But we made progress. But I got some sound effects that I think will be pretty cool. I wish I remember how I can adjust the height. But yeah, I'm feeling the drag of like the game, like okay, I'm getting bored of it because I've done this so many times. But it's like one of those things you just gotta push through. I'm noticing I'm not seeing the combo. Yeah, the combos are off screen again. I'll fix that. I think I'll just put that somewhere. Hey, now the timer's working. What the hell? Do you think we need a countdown timer? On screen? I mean, is that really a thing we need? I guess it's nice, but as long as the wave incoming comes up, like, then you know. Like, I don't think you really need to know that. I don't know. That's a good question. But I want to adjust the way they spawn too. I don't want them all spawning at once. I want them to like stagnate. So that's going to break stuff too. When we do that. All right. Well, it's working, but dude, I know I did this last time. We did this. See, it's all screwed up. It's all screwed up. What the hell is this? Shot. Oh, this might be the hover over. Now it went back to unscaled delta time. All right. Yeah, something broke, man, because we broke something yesterday when we reinstalled Cinemachine. I gotta go back to here and set these. I changed them. It's 15. I think it was 0.25. Oops. And then we'll fix that combo thing later. Just find us, put a spot, but that's not really important. This needs to come over a little. Okay. Gotta move this over. One last time, try it. If it doesn't work, that will probably be it. I don't have the patience right now. Monkeying with it. Fix that button. Okay. Ah, feels like that music. Okay. Tried playing this one last time, and I think that's gonna be it. Ugh, bad. I appreciate you sticking around, Trenton. I know today's just, I don't know, one of those days, you know. Can't be on it every day. We're back to that. That's cool. Yeah, I like them going off screen. It just makes it just better. And we'll fix that combo thing. I don't even know if I like that combo thing. I'll just have that on screen. We'll just set it somewhere like here. Because I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. Alright. Oh yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, these power-up things, man, they're just so annoying. It's like they don't do anything, and I just need to like probably get rid of them and recreate them. I don't know. I'm just... This is what always happens with me, man. Like, I get excited about something, and then when it gets into the weeds, and then, you know, you start losing interest, you're like, okay, it becomes, like, not fun. So that's why I just, like, okay, we'll just stop for today and, you know, let it go, and then come back to it Monday. I'll probably work on it over the weekend. Hopefully I can fix it, and then we can get on to better things next week. I'm hoping. You know, I want to build out the gameplay and through the waves and all that. You know, we're just building all the functionality, like the game. Like, what's the game? Like, what is the game here? You've seen what it is, but it's like, okay, you're going to get bored of that in 10 minutes. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. No, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. And we have to hook up all that stuff. Oh, now it's not working again. Now it disappeared. I asked, I don't know if you heard me. Do you think we need a timer on screen? Okay, now we're back in wave 1. Alright, we had this problem before. I think it's this, man. I think we screwed it up with the wave. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know if we really need it there. Where we started this morning. This could have been broken yesterday, and I don't think I ever tested it. Going to the next wave. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I need to think about that. If we're gonna have the countdown time, if we need a countdown timer, or should it just be a timer that just runs, and then, you know, we'll have different waves spawn, but then we can see who lasts the longest. Like, should we change the game to that? It's just it's just timer, and then it will, you know, I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Like I said, if we do that, it might have to gut everything, and then, you know, we're gonna be in a worse spot than we currently are. We should be able to fix. I should be able to fix it. Just, it's when we're putting new systems on, it breaks things. What it does. But see, right now, when you get hit, you're supposed to slow down. Your speed's supposed to slow down, but I don't think it works right. So, like, that's how I wanted it. Like, you get hit, you're not running as... I mean, you can kind of see it. It kind of does a little bit. You know, like, kind of jitters like that. But I think after you get hit so many times, it only does so much. Yeah, you can see it kind of slow down a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yep, it did. It did. Yeah, I just need to think through of, like, what's the object during the wave? What are you doing? Why? I mean, the main gameplay loop, we have it. It's doing it right now. But this will get boring. Now, we do have the wave shop, which I need to still see why that's not working. Because I notice it's not buffing up our health or anything. I don't notice any difference when I get the buffs. They're not very... I need to figure that out. Yeah, I just need to start thinking about some things. And then once we get the different enemy types, that will change up the gameplay a lot too. If we get faster enemies, slower enemies, you know, that, and then we get wave boss, I think that will change it up too. So, you know, but it's just getting those things in. Maybe I do need a break from this thing. See what happens here. Because if you watch your health, when I buy health, it should give us more points, and it doesn't. See? Or maybe it, hold on, let's see what it does when we get, yeah, there goes the timer, it's gone. So no, I don't see it doing anything. That buff's not doing anything right now. It should buff us up. Well, maybe I should check and see what the buff's doing. We should get like 15 health points or something. But this is what the game would be without a timer. It's getting harder. Jesus. I thought we changed that color of that mothership beam. Alright, well. Yeah, see, now we're back to wave 1. Interesting. All right. I think we're going to call it today. Yeah, I definitely want to. I think this stuff, the wave objectives, bonus rounds, stuff like that, don't get hit. This will add more to the game, more to what you're going to do. Definitely this. Don't get hit, or whatever. Try not to get hit for 30 seconds. That gives more, objectives. So I think once we get something like that in there, it'll get better. But like I said, once we start rolling this stuff in here, it's probably going to break other things. So anyway, we'll call it for today. It's 3 hours. I didn't know we're at 3 hours, so that's good. But Trenton, thanks for hanging out, man. I appreciate it. And thanks for your help with everything. Have a good weekend, and we'll be back on Monday. All right, guys, take care. See ya.